This, according to this tender, it is basically for appointment of vendor for the work of availing artistic services for ideation, conceptualization, creation, designing, fabrication, supply, erection, installation, and other allied activities on rental for the IFFI 2016. In short, it is nothing but basically a city decoration for IFFI 2016. That is the 47th IFFI to be conducted this year end. Our sources reveal that this award, this work, is likely to be awarded to one TLG company, an unknown company, at a whopping 6 crores 55 lakh rupees. Here in this question, there's no minimum price even mentioned. It's a clear-cut manipulative tender process. And this, our sources are clearly revealed that this has been done with a top-up of keeping 2 crores for the chairman itself. We feel that this tender process has been given to an unknown company called the TLG, who doesn't have the balance sheet nor the expertise to conduct such an activity. It's a clear case of nepotism and corruption, whereby the ESG chairman, Mr. Damu Naik, is interested in funding the said money, illegal money, for its own elections. We at GOA Forward call upon the Chief Minister to take cognizance of the matter before any work order is issued. Right now, no work order has been issued. It is likely to be issued. Retender the process. And if our CM has any so-called dignity where he speaks that his administration is a corruption-free, then he should take cognizance of this matter and he should recall the tender. Failure to do so, GOA Forward will file a criminal complaint and even approach the local once the tender process is complete.